Festival.
It's an honor to be here and to speak to you.
To help kick off this wonderful new event at the Labarge Lake.
And it's really a manifestation of a dream of a few people in our community.
For us to connect with each other, to celebrate with each other, and to say to each other that we are part of humanity.
What happened to so many Asian Canadians should never happen. And we're all here today because we don't want that to happen. We want to celebrate with that community.
Multiculturalism means having a place where everybody can have their own voice and show their own traditions and heritages, just like what we have here at the Dumpling Festival.
It's about our community. We get to know each other. We share more our food and what we like. And
for us, really means acceptance and also education, because I think it offers us both the opportunity to meet each other and know who you really are, and meet ourselves in the relationship that we form.
We live in a country which is built on multiculturalism, but I think there is some work to be done to make it even better.
Just really seeing so many people actually come out and support us. People were lining up for dumplings, people were enjoying the food, enjoying all the entertainment, and all the sponsors who supported us, they are also excited about the turnout as well. So we will, keep doing this next year and it will be even better.